Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing this look using the Tati Beauty palette. So if you want to see how I came up with this look and if this palette is really worth the $48, definitely keep on watching. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I did purchase the Tati Beauty palette. It's right here. I have not opened it, so I don't, it's not open at all. I still need to open it. So let's get right into it. Today we're just going to be testing this bad boy out. Is it really worth the $48? We will find out. She's gorgeous, Tati. I love her channel on YouTube. It comes wrapped in some type of paper. And then once you take it out, it says, "Beautiful is your story to tell, XO Tati." So she promotes a lot of self-love. And you don't have to be a makeup artist to love makeup. You don't have to be a makeup artist to do makeup. So she promotes a lot of that, and I really love that because it makes you feel welcome in the beauty community, even if you're not a professional, which I am by no means a professional, but I love makeup and I love to play with it. And yeah, so this is the palette. It's in here in this paper mesh. So there she is. She comes in a plastic film underneath all the mesh to keep it safe. So this is the actual palette. Oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like. And then on the back it just has disclaimers and whatnot. It is a cruelty-free vegan palette and it is made in the US. It is $48. So this is what it looks like. It says Volume 1 Tati Beauty in gold, and it is a matte feeling. The mirror, it's pretty big. It is very good quality. I'm extremely excited to play with this palette today, so let's get into it. I did tie my hair back just to get it out of my way. So I'm gonna go the safe route today and just do a simple look because I definitely don't want to get any fallout on my makeup since I already have my base done. So I'm gonna go in with Soothe, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. So I'm going to go in with a fluffy blending brush. So there is a little bit of kickback, but nothing crazy. And most of the time, kickback can actually mean that the shadow is pigmented. I'm going to take Ritual in the matte formula and just deepen my crease with that. And I'm going to use it mostly on the outer crease. So I'm starting by dabbing it on, and then I'm going to go in and blend it out. And I'm just focusing it more on the outer edge of the eye versus bringing it all the way in. You can always go with that first blending brush and just blend those two shades together. So I'm going to take a precise flat brush, and I'm going to take one of those glitters. I think that's what we're going to do. I'm thinking we're probably going to go into Soothe in the glitter formula. It is said that these are not really to be used on the eyes, but if you are careful, I don't see why there's a problem with using it in your eyes. Not in your eyes, on your eyes, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just apply it and then work my way up. Wow. Do you see that? There's no fallout. It's not a rough glitter formula. It is not tugging at my eye whatsoever. So I'm gonna cut my crease with this glitter. That's why I grabbed a precise brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take a little bit of Ritual, which is the deep brown, and just try to blend it into the glitter so there's not a harsh edge next to the glitter. I'm going to go ahead and take Aura in the sequence shade, which is this one right here. Look at the glitter in that. Oh my goodness. I'm going to use that on the brow bone with a pencil brush. I'm going to go in with Ritual, and then I'm going to go in with Soothe to blend that out. So I'm going to take the metallic Aura shade, which is this one right here, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And I'm going to do a simple eyeliner for today, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. eyeliner. It is $3, super black. It is kind of, you know, scary to work with because of the wand on it, but once you get the hang of it, it's okay. So yeah, that's what I came up with. Using the Tati Beauty palette was super easy. This is very beginner friendly. This one, the formula in the glitters is stunning. And as you can see right here in these swatches, it doesn't like separate. These swatches look bomb. Okay, so let me just compare this to something so that you get an image of how good these shadows are. So the glitters in this palette are really buttery. They're not rough whatsoever, and they don't separate when you swatch them. So this palette has these shades right here, which are 2 pressed glitters. I'm gonna dig into this gold right here. Right off the bat, rough to play with, like rough to the feel. You actually have to get some pigment. So there you go, you can kind of see. When I swatched it, it separated a lot. The Tati Beauty glitters did not separate that much. That is absolutely stunning. And there's still a lot of pigment on my finger. It is worth the $48 that it cost. I feel like this is really beginner friendly. It has a wide range of colors that you can use. The color story is absolutely stunning, and it's beginner friendly. These shadows will blend out like butter. They will not fight you. There's some shadows that it's really hard to blend them out. This palette, it's not. If you are interested in seeing more looks with this palette, leave me a comment down below and I will definitely do more looks with this palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.